Hey guys, my name is Christy and this is my Crafty Country. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I try to do all kinds of holiday crafting, just home organization, just all kinds of different things on a budget. So right now I'm going to do a Dollar Tree haul, and I know some of this stuff that I've already showed you, but it's pretty much all the Christmas stuff that I have found recently. And I was on a channel the other day on a live with Can Sarah DIY. I love Sarah. She's hilarious. But then my phone I recorded on my phone and my phone overheated in the middle of the live. So I got kicked out and wasn't able to get back. So I'm going to link her channel down below and also the video from where we did our Dollar Tree haul off. And it was funny and just very entertaining. Definitely go check out her channel, show her some love, give her a sub, and I'm going to jump in and show you some of the things I found. Okay, so one thing is these poinsettias that are in the pots. We've seen the sunflowers, and I saw these and had to have them, so I don't have them here, but I have two white ones and a red one, because I'm going to try to do a centerpiece like I did with the sunflowers, only for Christmas. And I will link the sunflower video down below. Okay, and oh, love these. Love them. These little lanterns. And you can't tell right now because the sun is coming through the window, but the light in there is so cute, and this little screen is glitter. So it shines really pretty. Now this white one, I'm probably going to do something else with it because it honestly looks like they just threw paint at it. But this one, they did the same thing, but since it's not the white, it's not so bold, it doesn't stand out. This one actually just looks worn, and I think I'll leave it. So there's those. Oh, I found some signs. Okay, so these aren't new, but I found me one of these because I thought it looked like something cute for stained glass for Christmas. Some of the cutting boards. This cute little guy. Okay, they always come out with new signs, but I thought all this needed was a little jazzing up. Maybe actually put a real scarf on him. Maybe paint over that, and I don't know if I'll make it a welcome sign still, or I'll just paint over it. But super cute little snowman. Maybe I could put a real tree, like a bottle brush tree right in front of that to where you can't see it, but he's got a little tree. I don't know. We shall see. And this, it says, it's the most wonderful time of the year. I love this little sign. It's got the shiplap look, and it's not just painted on there. It actually did the ridges at the top and the bottom. Looks super cute. Love it. I don't think I'm going to do anything to this one. I might, but I think it's cute as is. Okay, this was brand new. I had never seen these little jars. It's got pine cones and berries and a tree in the snow there. And if this gives you an idea how big it is, it's a nice sized jar. So I thought about finding a little truck and putting in there. Sarah had some ideas on how I could use like maybe a toy truck from the toy section instead of trying to go to Hobby Lobby, but we'll see what I can find. I don't know if there were different variations of that. I'm not sure. Oh, but I did pick up more of these candles because I'm going to melt down candles and turn these coffee mugs. I got two of these, and do a candle and use a piping bag and make it look like whipped cream and all that fancy jazz on the top. So I'm excited about that one. That's going to be a gift for a friend. Okay, what else do we have here? I have the fabric. I think I showed this the other day. Had the gnomes, and if I can get it upside down, the trucks. And I didn't buy too much because honestly I have enough fabric, but it was pretty Christmas prints, so I couldn't resist. The candy striping, so that's all I got in the fabric, just like 5 of them. So that's not bad for me. The trees. Okay, we've seen these. I'm thinking about cutting one down and making it a shorter tree to put with it, because I know Dollar Tree has the 2-packs, but these seem like they're better quality than the old ones. And then we have these. I think there was pink too, or rose gold, or whatever you want to call it. But they have little bead ornaments on them. I'm going through fast today. Oh, I found some picks. Love them, love them, love them. The little curly cues and these little snowball looking picks. Super cute for a Christmas centerpiece. I'll probably put those with my poinsettias and see what kind of magic I can make there. The jars that have the top to them. I think this lid actually came with a regular jar, not one of the handled jars, but I switched it because I like the one with the handle better. But all different sizes. This one in the middle is plastic. The other 2 are glass. Got the galvanized shapes. Didn't get the snowman. Don't need the snowman. Okay, now when I was in Dollar Tree, they had Coca-Cola stuff. Has anybody seen that? What's up with the Coca-Cola stuff? I don't really care for the Coca-Cola stuff, but I got this just so I could change the sign to something else, because it had the dates and the hooks already on it. So I'm just going to take those off for now, paint over it, make it what I want. Maybe a countdown to Christmas, or I don't know, something. But just not Coca-Cola. So that had a purpose. Oh, I found more of the beautiful snowflakes that look like icy snowflakes. I'm going to make a garland with them, so I got like 5 of them. Are these different? These are different. I thought I found the same ones. I was deceived by the Dollar Tree. Now they're all hooked together. Okay, there we go. So I thought I got this big one, but I got a small one just like it. I mean, that's not bad, but I wish I would have realized. I would have looked for the big ones too. That's okay. Okay, and I got the wood stems. Perfect for Christmas DIYing. I have some of the clear ornaments that I'm actually going to put sprinkles in this and do like a baking gift basket, and then just put the sprinkles in that. Get over here. What else do I have here for you today? I have the pine cones. These are bigger than the little ones. They're still scented, but there's like 5 big ones in there instead of like 20 little ones like they used to have. I don't know what that's from. I got me another bell. I was looking for the white ones, but I thought this gold one would be cute to hang off of a gift basket. Got me another wooden truck. Not sure what I'm going to do with him, but it's always good to have a wooden truck in your stash, because you could do anything with those. Got me some gift tags. I had an idea with the gift tags. Oh, yeah. Set those aside, because I think I could do something with the napkins. Found this it's like porcelain round. And I showed these the other day, but the chunky wooden rounds and the hearts and the cross. So you could paint these and turn these into Christmas ornaments for gifts, or to hang like tags off of gifts, was kind of my thinking. I showed these the other day, the ribbon signs. And I wonder, okay, we're going to try something out. Let's see if it works. This says Happy Holidays. Does that fit on the snowman? Oh, well, It's a hair too big. But we'll see. I could paint that and put that up there. It's an idea though, because it fits. Okay. The gnomes, the hot pads, love them. I didn't used to be a gnome fanatic, but I am now apparently. Found ornaments. I'm just going to show the ornaments. Some of them I showed the other day. Some of them I did, some of them I didn't, because I actually went back to Dollar Tree to look for something for this, for the haul off with me and Sarah, and I ended up with more ornaments. These, I don't really care if I have them for the design, which I do like that design, but I'm just going to use it for the bottle cap. Look. Found the ice skates with bells on them. I didn't realize they had bells on them. Oh, those are cute. They look like little rusty bells. Got some bells. Let's throw some of this out of my lap. Okay. Control yourself, Christy. It's crazy town. Oh, I found these to go on a gift basket. The rubber spatula with a cookie cutter. I want to find the little packs of Christmas cookie cutters like they had for the fall. But I haven't seen those because I thought those would be cute to put on. Think of getting like one of those mixing bowls, doing a cake mix or cookie mix or brownies or whatever, and do a hot pad, do an ornament with sprinkles in it, the rubber spatula with the cookie cutters. I mean, that would just be, for probably less than $10, you could have the cutest gift basket. So I really need to do a gift basket video again. I've been slacking this year. Okay, so here are the last of my ornaments. And I showed some the other day, but some I did not. The snowflake. The campers. Okay, these I did not show because I just got these. And I have a purpose for these. I think I'm going to put these in shadow boxes. But I'm going to paint them because I'm not crazy about the glitter gold. If I do keep the glitter gold, I will clear coat them. So I got 2 of the trees. That way it does not shed off everywhere. And these I got because they're so stinking adorable. They're just wire with a bell hanging off of it. I mean, we could make those. I'm going to have to size that up. I bet I could make those. But they're super cute. So there's a DIY, and just by looking at it, you could probably make them. So that is all I have found recently, and I got some of it for the haul off with Sarah, which you've got to go watch. My girl is super funny. Love her to death. So go over there, check out her channel, check out the haul off, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're doing with your life, subscribe, because I am always here to try to give you new inspiration, and I really hope you enjoy it. So I will see you guys in my next video.